Coach, it's hard full time. You didn't even know how to express yourself at full time. First of all, congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I'm very clear in terms of how I need to express myself. I think all of the emotions went into the game. Post game is just for the boys to celebrate what they deserve. I thought it was a very good game from both teams. For us, not the best start in terms of like first 20 minutes or so. They managed to score a goal. But the resilience and the desire from us to remain calm and then get back into the game was very good, very key.
Yeah.
And the intent in the second half to start the game very quickly, very physical, that was really good. And it manifested into an event that kind of turned the game. Red card, free kick from the red card. But I knew that 2-1 wasn't going to be enough. Yeah, so when we saw them committing players forward, then we say, okay, we have to get the third goal. Yeah. And then we got that, so really good from them.
So you guys, you'd have played them already in prior to this game. In the season, quarterfinals, and you lost 2-1. This time in turn, you won the game 3-1. Can you give us 3-2? Yeah. Can you give us a difference with the performance and how the team applied themselves with the 2-1 loss versus a 3-2 win?
The 2-1 quarterfinal loss, I thought we never knew much about them because a lot of their games, round of 16 quarterfinals, weren't broadcasted, so couldn't see them much. But the game we played at Manchester in the quarterfinals kind of showed us a lot about them, even about ourselves as well. And I just thought that was different, the application in terms of, okay, what you have learned or what we have learned in that first game to carry it on here, and then also following the games they played since St. George's, Heidel, Garvey, Maceo, and looking at it.
Champions Cup trophy, what does that mean for you, adding to your CV? What does it mean for you?
For me, it doesn't mean anything because I'm not one to focus on like the trophies or anything. I think my contribution to the lives of the players or the environment that I'm in is good. This is just for the fans. For me, the validation is seeing the boys perform to their truest ability. And then for moving on from here to better things.
Your captain, Kyle Gordon, turned up big tonight. From my perspective as a neutral, it's one of the better performances I've seen so far this season. Would you say that you'd want to see him give that type of performance on a more consistent basis, especially at this level?
He will give it when it matters, and I think that's important. Today it mattered. He did it. It's his final year. So he had a lot riding on him. Even the expectation of being captain, performing, leading, it's a lot, and he has delivered.
Yes, he has definitely delivered.
And he will continue to deliver.
Definitely, and from your perspective, you have the next matchup looking forward. I do think now you winning here tonight would have set the table, a proper set out of table for the Thanksgiving in the next match up in the Dakar Cup final, which should be a big serving from my perspective. What's your thoughts on that coming up?
Yeah, it'll be a new game, 0-0 from the start. Some of the things we did today or some of the situations we faced today might never occur again. So we just have to come and apply ourselves in that game come Saturday. So for now, it's not so much about looking there. It's just, it's in our horizon. It's about the preparation leading up to it.
All right, coach. Congratulations and well done, man. All the time.